Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll continue. That was the last one we did. Yeah, that was the last one we did, actually. Oh, this one is interesting. Okay. Using the trigonometric substitution, dx over square root x squared plus 9. What I have here, x equal 3 tan theta. So what will be the x? It will be 3 secant square theta d theta. Plug the things. That will be 3 secant square theta d theta over 9 times tan square plus 1, 9 secant square. That will be 3 secant theta. And that will be integral of secant theta d theta, which is ln secant theta plus tan theta plus c. And let's change everything in terms of x now. So this is theta. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So that will be x squared plus 9. So you have ln what? Secant theta. It will be hypotenuse over adjacent. And tan is opposite over adjacent. I can do these three with this ln trick. That will be ln this absolute value minus ln 3 because it's in the denominator plus c. I will call this c. So this is my answer. Square root 1 minus 4x squared. This is just 2x all square. So I let 2x to be sine theta. So it means x is half sine theta. Half sine theta, not 2 theta. Half sine theta. Dx will be half cosine theta d theta. Plug the numbers. Plug these expressions. You have what? 1 minus sine squared. That will be cosine theta times half cosine theta d theta. So I need half outside and cosine square, which is half plus half cosine 2 theta d theta. We did something like this before. So I have what? I have 1 over 4 times theta plus 1 over 2 sine 2 theta plus c. So it's 1 over 4 theta plus sine theta cosine theta plus c. So now if this is sine theta, if sine theta equal 2x, this is theta, the 2x over 1, that will be opposite over adjacent. And this will be 1 minus 4x squared. What I need theta. Theta is what? Theta from here is sine inverse of 2x. Okay, that will be sine inverse of 2x. What is sine? Sine is 2x. And cosine is square root 1 minus 4x squared. Yeah, everything times 1 over 4. Yeah, 1 over 4 times this, which is this one. I have x equal tan. See what will happen. Dx will be secant square theta d theta. And now the angles or the limits of integration, x equals 0. That means 0 equal tan theta. So theta equals 0. X equal 1. The 1 equal tan theta. Then theta equal pi over 4. So I have the integral from 0 to pi over 4. Secant square theta theta over, that will be what? Tan square plus 1, which is secant square, that will be secant to the power 4. And that gives me what? 0 to pi over 4. 1 over secant square, which is cosine square theta d theta. I will go back to this half angle idea or double angle. That will be half times what? Theta plus 1 over 2 sine 2 theta from 0 to pi over 4. So I can do it quickly. That gives me what? Half times what? When pi over 4, I have pi over 4. This is sine pi over 2, which is 1 plus half. 0, 0, gone. They have pi over 8 plus 1 over 4, which is this one. X cube over 4 plus x squared. And let x equal 2 tan theta. The x will be 2 secant squared theta d theta. Yeah, x equals 0, theta equals 0, x equal 1. Then I have tan equal half. When tan equal half. You know what? I don't need to do it in using the trig functions. Yeah, I can use the substitution, regular substitution. If I have u equal 4 plus x squared, du will be 2x dx. So write the numerator as x cubed, x squared times x. Or I can write it, this is 0 to 1, x squared times 2x, so I need half outside, over square root 4 plus x squared dx. Now everything is ready. This is will be my du. This is will be what? Take u minus 4. And this is square root of u. So I have half. What will be the limits? 4 and 5. 4 to 5. I have what? X squared is u minus 4 from here. X squared by u minus 4. So I have u minus 4 du. And I have u to the power minus half du. So what I have, let me do it in steps. U to the power half minus 4 u to the power minus half du. That will be half. Add 1, 2 over 3, u to the power 3 over 2, minus 8 u to the power half, from 4 to 5. Yeah, that will be what? Half. Don't rush it. 2 over 3. Square root of 5 cubed, that will be 5 square root of 5. Minus 8 square root of 5. Okay. This is 1. The next one is what? Minus square root of 4 is 2 times 8. That will be 16 over 3. Don't forget half is outside. Okay. 16 over 3. And I have 4. That will be minus 16. Okay. That give me what? I have 10 over 3 minus 8. This give me minus 24. This is minus 14 over 3. Yeah. So I have minus 14 over 3 square root of 5. Don't forget there is half outside. Half minus 14 root 5 over 3. And then I have 16 over 3 minus 16. That's 16 minus 3 minus 16. That will be what? Minus 2 times 16. This is 16. It will be 16 minus 48 over 3. And that is what? Minus 32 over 3. So this is minus 32 over 3. That gives me what? This is minus 7 square root of 5 over 3. And this one is plus 16 over 3. Which is this one? There's no need for trig substitution. This one is trig substitution. I think we did it before. Yeah, the one with this. Pi over 6 minus pi over 8. This is pi over 8. So pi over 24 plus square root 3 of it is the same problem exactly. But it was in a different term, a different year also. Yeah. So this will be the answer. Same question. Okay, and let x equal tan theta. The x will be secant square theta, d theta. Do substitution. I have what? 1 plus tan square secant theta and secant square theta d theta over tan theta. So I have what? I have secant cube over tan. What I will do, I will change it into sine and cosine. Yeah, is it secant? Yeah, secant square, yeah. So I have 1 over cosine cubed times cosine over sine d theta. That gives me what? This is cancelled. I have 2 remaining. So that gives me secant square secant theta. Do the triangle. This is theta. That will be x over 1. This is square root 1 plus x squared. Okay. Yeah. That will give me what? You have secant cubed over tan, which is 1 over secant, 1 over cosine cube. Yeah. So it's 1 over integral 1 over cosine squared theta sine theta d theta. Yeah. How to do this? Yeah. I can do this trick. Yes, yes. What I will do, I will write secant square. I have 1 plus tan square, this is secant square. So write secant square as 1 plus tan square theta over tan theta d theta. Okay. So I have what? I have secant over tan plus what? Secant tan theta d theta. Okay. So secant over tan is what? It's cosecant. Yeah. This one will be secant over tan. That will be what? I have 1 over cosine over sine over cosine. That gives me 1 over sine, which is cosecant theta. And this is secant theta tan theta d theta. And that will be then, what is the integral of cosecant? It will be cosecant minus cotan theta. Yeah. And what's the integral of this? That will be secant theta. Let's see. Yeah. that give me what? It is what? Over opposite. Cotan will be sent over opposite. Secant will be what? Secant is hypotenuse over adjacent, which is on the square root 1 plus x squared plus c, and this will be the answer. Yeah, it's tricky to do this integration. Substitution, we'll do only substitution. Now we need to do the integration. 1 over x squared plus 1 to the power 3 over 2. I let x equal tan theta. This is from the book, example in the book. The x will be secant square x d theta. Now, if x equals 0, then I have theta equals 0. If x equals 1, then I have theta equals pi over 4. So I have 0 to pi over 4 of what? Dx, which is secant square theta d theta, over what? Over 1 plus tan square at the secant square to the power 2, that will be secant cubed theta. Yeah, that will be secant square to the power 3 over 2, that will be secant cubed. So the answer is only cosine theta d theta. It is easy one. That will be sine theta from 0 to pi over 4, which is square root 2 over 2 minus 0, which I write it 1 over square root of 2 also by rationalizing. Multiply by square root of 2. X square over square root 3 minus x square. So I let x square root of 3. This will be the square root of 3 square. Square root of 3 sine x dx. You need to deal with this square root of 3. Square root of 3 cosine x dx. Plug the numbers. I have x square. That gives me 3 sine square x. That will be 3 cosine x, because 3 square root of 3 cosine x dx. In the denominator, if I substitute square root of 3, that gives me square root of 3 cosine x. So this is cancelled with this. I have 3 out. Sine square, I'll use this double angle idea, or cosine. This is theta, theta, theta. Sorry. So I have what? 3 half theta minus 1 over 4 sine 2 theta plus c. So this is what? 3 over 2. What will be theta? You know, sine theta is x over square root of 3. So sine inverse of this. And that gives me the triangle theta. This is x over square root of 3. And that will be the square root of 3 minus x squared. Okay, so I have 3 over 2 sine inverse x over square root of 3. Now I have minus 3 over 4 minus 3 over 4. Okay. This is 2 sine cosine. 2 sine cosine. So it's minus 3 over 2. Sorry. Yeah, 2 will be cancelled. I have 2 only here. So it's 3 over 2. Sine theta is what? X over square root of 3. And cosine theta is the square root 3 minus x squared over square root of 3 plus c. This is 3. So this with this cancel with this. And I have this. Okay. Square root x squared minus 3 over x. I let x secant theta. Dx will be secant tan d theta. Now, if x equal to theta will be pi over 3, where cosine is half. If x equals square root of 3, I don't have cosine. Secant is square root of 3. Do we have? No, it's not secant. It's secant, yes. If x equals square root of 3, then I cannot substitute. X equals square root of 3. When secant equals square root of 3? You have 2 over square root of 3. You know what? Let me leave it like this. Make it as definite. Let me try it this way. See what will happen. Make it as definite, then I will substitute at the end. You can do this. Let's try this idea. So x, yeah, that's the mistake. Let me go back. X will be square root of 3 secant theta. This is, I need this square root of 3 all square. So x is square root of 3 secant theta. That will make it now. If x equals 2, then I have secant theta equal 2 over square root of 3, where cosine square root of 3 over 2. So theta is pi over 6. Okay. If x equals square root of 3, yeah, let me do it in details here. I have x equal to, so I have 2, because it's a little bit, we need to be careful with the calculation. So secant theta is 2 over square root of 3. So cosine square root of 3 over 2, and theta will be pi over 6, which is 30. If x equals square root of 3, then I have square root of 3 equals square root of 3 secant theta. So theta will be, secant is 1, which is theta equals 0. So that integral, and what about dx? Dx will be square root of 3 secant tan theta d theta. Okay, so the integral will be from 0 to pi over 6 of what? Of substitute the square root of 3. That will be 3 secant 3 tan square under the square root. That will be square root of 3 tan theta. Dx is square root of 3 secant theta tan theta over d theta over what? X, which is square root of 3 secant theta. Now that will take what? This cancelled. So I have square root of 3 outside. 0 to pi over 6 of what? Secant cancelled. Tan square. And we talk about this. I will change this into secant square theta minus 1 d theta. And that will give me what? Tan theta minus theta from 0 to pi over 6. That gives me square root of 3 times what? What is tan pi over 6? It will be 1 over square root of 3. And this is minus pi over 6. 0, 0. Nothing to worry about. So that will be 1 minus pi square root of 3 over 6. Which is this one? X over 2. Square root x squared plus 4. We'll let x 2 tan theta. So it will be dx 2 secant squared theta d theta. Do the integral. X over 2, that will be tan theta. Square root x squared plus 4. That will be 2. That will be 2 secant theta. Yeah, because this is 2 tan square, so I have 4 tan square. 4 tan square plus 1, which is 2 secant square under the square root. 4 secant square under the square root. That will be 2 secant theta. Dx is 2 secant cube theta d theta. That is what I have 4 outside. Tan theta, secant cube theta. This is u, this is du. No, this is u, this is du. What is this? What I'm saying? Okay, let me think about it. I have tan theta times 2 secant times 2 secant square. What is this? This is 2 secant square. So tan secant cube. How to do this? I have, yeah, I make it complicated. No need for trig substitution. This is u du. This is u. This is du. Yeah, I let u to be x squared plus 4. Du equal to x. Sometimes you make it complicated. It's not. It's u du. So that will be, I need 2x here. So I have half outside and another half. So this will be 2x. Square root x squared plus 4 dx. It's easier than you expect. This will be 1 over 4. This will be du. U to the power half du. It will be 1 over 4 times 2 over 3. U to the power 3 over 2, which is x squared plus 4 to the power 3 over 2. And that will be 1 over 6. Let's see. X squared plus 4 to the power 3 over 2. Let's see. Which is no need for any trig substitution. Trig substitution make it complicated. Yeah. This one, secant. So I have x equal 5 secant theta. Dx will be 5 secant tan theta d theta. So that will be what? 5 secant theta tan theta d theta over, put 5 secant square minus 1. That will be tan. That will be 5 tan theta. Cancel, 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 cancel. I have secant theta, which is ln secant theta plus tan theta. Let's see. Now I do the triangle. This is theta. I have x. No, x will be the hypotenuse. This is the adjacent. And this is x squared minus 25. What I want secant theta. Secant is x over 5. And tan theta is the adjacent, is the opposite of the adjacent over 5 plus c. This over 5, I can take it with the c. So you have ln, like what we did before. And that will be my answer. Yeah. Okay. Still have good number of functions. Okay, let me continue. I have this. I need to make it complete the square. 4x minus x squared. I take minus x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 4 minus x minus 2 squared plus 4. So I have the substitution x minus 2, or let me rewrite the equation first. Rewrite the integral x over the square root 4 minus x minus 2 squared dx. So I have x minus 2 equal to 2 sine theta, which means x is 2 plus 2 sine theta. Dx will be 2 cosine theta, d theta. Plug the numbers, plug this substitution. I have what? X is 2 plus 2 sine theta dx is what? dx is 2 cosine theta d theta. And the denominator x minus 2 is 2 sine, so I have 2 cosine theta. This is cancelled. And they have what? 2 theta plus 2 cosine theta. Or minus 2 cosine theta plus c. Now I have the triangle. This is theta. So sine theta is x minus 2 over 2. So I have this over this, and this is will be 4 minus x minus 2 squared, which is this one. So I have 2 theta, which is 2 sine inverse x minus 2 over 2, minus 2 times. Cosine will be what? Adjacent, square root 4x minus x squared, over hypotenuse plus c. So this is cancelled. So I have this one. 1 over x, root x squared plus 4. Yeah, I let x equal to tan theta. Dx will be 2 secant squared theta d theta. Plug the expressions. I have 2 secant squared theta d theta over x, which is 2 tan theta. This one is what? 4 tan squared. It will be 4 tan squared plus 1 secant squared. So I have 2 secant theta. 2 cancelled with 2 and squared with 1 secant. So we have what? 1 over cosine theta over sine theta over cosine theta d theta, and half outside. That will be half cosecant theta d theta. That will be half minus. That will be half I have the triangle. This is my triangle. It will be what? It will be, this is theta. That will be x over 2. And this is square root x squared plus 4. First integral of cosecant, it will be ln cosecant theta minus cotan theta plus c. That will be half ln of what? Cosecant will be hypotenuse over opposite, and cotan is adjacent over opposite plus c, which is this one. X squared over 4 minus x squared. Yeah, I let x sine theta 2. X will be 2 sine theta. The x will be 2 cosine theta d theta. Back the numbers, see what will happen. X squared will be 4 sine squared. Dx is 2 cosine theta d theta over. I have, if I plug 2 sine theta here, I have what? 4 minus 4 sine square, which is 2 cosine theta, 2 cosine square, 4 cosine square, I mean. So I have 4. So it will be 4 minus x squared to the power 3 over 2. That will be 8. Square root of 4 is 2 cubed, 8 cosine cubed. That's over 8 cosine cubed theta. So this is cancelled with this. Cosine, I have 2. So it is sine square over cosine square. That will be tan square theta, d theta. And that is I know 1 plus tan square is secant. That will be secant square theta minus 1 d theta, which is tan theta minus theta plus c. Now, what is the triangle? This is my triangle. And this is x over 2. So we have x over 2. And this is root 4 minus x squared. What I need tan, which is opposite over adjacent. And this is sine inverse x over 2 plus c. And that will be my answer. X minus 3. What is x minus 3? Okay. So I need to first to simplify this. We have 8x minus x squared. That is minus x squared minus 8x. I add what? Plus 16. I add 16. So that will be minus x minus 4 squared plus 16. So this expression is x minus 3 dx over square root of 16 minus x minus 4 squared. So I will let x minus 4 to be 4 sine theta. So dx will be 4 cosine theta d theta. Okay, let us plug the numbers. I have what? 4 sine theta minus 3. Dx is 4 cosine theta d theta. This will be 4 cosine theta. Cancelled. So it will be the integral of 4 sine. That will be minus 4 cosine theta minus 3 theta. Okay. Plus c. Now I need to change everything in terms of x. So I have sine theta is what? I need the inverse over 4. So this is x minus 4 over 4. And this will be 8x minus x squared. You can check it. 16 minus this, which is f. So what I need cosine. Cosine will be the adjacent. So I have minus 4. This over the hypotenuse 4 minus 3 sine inverse x minus 4 over 4 plus c. This is cancelled, so I have this answer. Okay. I need to complete the square. That will be what? X squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 21 minus 4. So it will be x plus 2 squared minus 25. So now I have this equation or this question, x plus 2 squared minus 25. So I have x plus 2 equal 5 sine secant theta. Dx will be 5 secant tan d theta. Plug the numbers. I have 5 secant theta tan theta d theta. I plug this. I have 5 tan theta. Cancelled, 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 cancelled. Integral of secant, which is then secant plus tan plus c. Use the triangle. I have this will be the hypotenuse. This is the adjacent. Where secant is x plus 2 over 5. And that will be square root x plus 2 square minus 25. Okay, so I have ln. What is secant? Is x plus over 5. And that will be tan, which is opposite of our adjacent. Which is this? Sometimes maybe without 5, sometimes with 5. It will be the same. Good. Now, I let x 2 secant theta. The x will be 2 secant tan theta d theta. See what will happen. I have 16 over. Let me do the integral. Okay. x cubed, it will be 8 secant cube theta. This is dx is what? 2 secant theta tan theta d theta. And this one, 4, that will be 2 tan theta. So this is cancelled. Secant with this square, tan cancelled. So you have 2 of cosine square theta d theta, which is 2 half plus half cosine 2 theta d theta. 2 times half, that will be theta, plus 1 over 2 sine 2 theta, plus c. Now change everything in terms of, this one, it's 2 sine cosine, so that will be theta, plus sine theta cosine theta, plus c. Use the triangle. Theta is hypotenuse over adjacent, and that will be x squared minus 4. So I have sine secant inverse x over 2. What is sine? Sine is square root x squared plus 4. I have half. It will be sine. No need for the half. Sine is what? Sine square root. Yeah, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, plus c. So that will be secant inverse x over 2 plus 2 over x squared plus c, which is this one. 2 over x cubed. Almost the same. Let me do it again quickly. X equals secant. Dx will be secant tan theta d theta. That will be what? 2 over secant cubed tan theta. And this is secant theta tan theta d theta. So cancel, cancel, cancel. This is square. Take 2 out. I have cosine square theta d theta. That will be what? 2, I'm using this trick many times. Cosine 2 theta d theta. That will be theta plus 1 over 2 sine 2 theta plus c. So it will be theta plus sine theta cosine theta plus c. Now use the triangle. This is theta. So this is x, this is 1, this is square root x squared minus 1. Okay, so that will be secant inverse of x plus sine is what? Square root x squared minus 1 over x. And cosine is 1 over x plus. So secant inverse x over x squared plus 3, which is this one. Okay. I have x equal to sine theta. I have 3 terms, okay. Dx will be 2 cosine theta d theta. See what will happen. This one will be what? 4 sine squared theta plus 2 sine theta times 2 cosine theta d theta over 2 cosine theta. Cancel, cancel. So I have 4 sine squared, which is 4 half minus half cosine 2 theta plus 2 sine theta d theta. Okay. That give me 2 here. So I have 2 theta minus 2 times half sine 2 theta minus 2 cosine theta plus c. Now I need to change everything in terms of x, I need the triangle. Sine is opposite over adjacent. That will be square root 4 minus x squared. Okay, so that will be 2 sine inverse x over 2. Sine to theta is 2 sine cosine. So that will be minus 2. What is sine theta? Sine theta is x over 2. And cosine theta is square root 4 minus x squared over 2. Cosine theta is square root 4 minus x squared over 2 plus c. So that will give me the answer. This is minus x over 2. This will cancel with this over 2 remaining. Minus the square root 4 minus x squared plus c, which is this. X equal 2 tan theta. The x will be 2 secant squared theta d theta. Plug the numbers. I have what? 2 tan cubed, not 2, 8 tan cubed theta. 8 tan cubed theta. 2 secant squared theta d theta over 2 secant theta. So this cancel with this, with this, with the square. Take 8 outside. I have tan is odd, so I can use this trick. I have secant, not secant, tan square x, and I took secant tan theta d theta. This will be my du. This is u. So that's, I let u know. I take it will be 8 tan cubed, 2 secant square over 2 secant. So I have, yeah, I take this one will be 8 secant square x theta, everything secant square theta minus 1. Okay, secant theta tan theta d theta. That can split in 2 parts. Don't forget the 8. Secant square theta times secant theta tan theta d theta minus secant theta tan theta d theta. If this is u, this is du. So you have 8 secant to the power 3 over 3. Plus this is du. This one minus secant theta plus c. Now we need to return everything in terms of secant. In terms of x, I mean, that will be theta, which is opposite over adjacent. That will be the sum of this squared. So I have 8. Secant is what? The square root x squared plus 4 over 2 cubed over 2. All of this cubed times 1 over 3. Is it? Yeah. Secant is square root x squared plus 4 over 2. Over the adjacent. Minus square root x squared plus 4 over 2. That give me what? 1 over 3 square root x squared plus 4 all cubed. This 8 will cancel with 2 cubed. Minus 4. This is plus c. Minus 4 x squared plus 4 plus c. The last one, that will be 2x all squared. So I have 2x equal 3 tan theta. So I have x equal 3 over 2 tan theta. So the x will be 3 over 2 secant square theta d theta. Plug the numbers. I have what? Hopefully it's not that difficult. That will be 3/2 secant square theta d theta. Or 4x squared plus 9. That will be 9 tan squared. That will be, yeah, that will be 9. Oops. Tan square plus 1, which is secant square. All square. Yeah, that is 81. Take it out. That will be 3/2 times 81. Integral 1/secant square cosine square theta d theta, which is 1. This is 27. Okay, so it's 1/54 half plus half cosine 2 theta d theta. Let me do the triangle from now. Tan is what? This opposite over adjacent. So that will be 4x squared plus 9. Yeah. Okay. That will be 1/54. So it's 1 over, I don't know, 108. Why we have this big number? Yeah. Okay. Who cares? That will be theta plus half sine theta cosine sine 2 theta plus c. 108 theta plus sine theta cosine theta plus c. So 108. Theta is what? Theta is sine tan inverse 2x/3. This is sine. Sine is what? It will be sine is 2x over this times 3 over this plus c. So what I have? 1/08 tan inverse of 2x/3. Here I have what? Plus, yeah, 108/2 is 54. Yeah. Is 54, and 54/3 is what? 18. Plus 1/18 x over 4x squared plus 9 plus it's calculation. You can double check it. Yeah, I think I will stop here. Now we finish good number of questions for 8.4. The remaining is 8.5 and 8.7 for the exam, which hopefully I will do inshallah soon. Thank you.